Hey y'all, the Jess of Air here, back with another Popsocket video, literally filmed just after the first one because I can't get enough of this Popsocket UV resin stuff. But I had pulled these out for my other last project and I just love them. I want to use one. So I was thinking this one, maybe one of these. I want one that has intricate design, is big. I'm thinking it's going to be this one or this one, depending on if we'll see. Let's just start with a base. That's the best way to start. I have some leftover rainbow sequins. And for this one, should we do pink? Alright, I think we'll use a little bit of the pink, but I also have this snow, well, that's what I call it. It looks like snow to me. I use it for my winter projects. Use a little bit of that, and then mix that. And I definitely just want a little bit of pink to tie in the fact that we're doing girly. I mean, if you're a boy and you want a heart pop socket in blue or purple or whatever, just let me know. I'll do it for you. I love making these. But I'm a girly girl and I like these to be my liking. When you see me coming out with my winter, I guess it is kind of winter, October Halloween section, still cutesy, not gross. I used to be into gore, but I don't know, I'm kind of a softie now for some reason. Maybe it's because I had a kid. I can't watch horror movies anymore. Alright. So, spread this out a decent amount. And we'll dump the glitter down. You gotta have a good base for all your resin projects. Clear is minimalistic. It's easy, but it's not necessarily your best choice when you're trying to make three-dimensional objects or extremely blingified objects. The background really just takes it to a whole nother dimension with your art. Okay, so the pink and the purple glitter together is giving it this like purplish hue, so that's cool with me. I feel like sometimes I will try to control so much that I never even get anything done. And when I do art, it's like I have to force myself to release control. And because you know I can't see the picture beforehand as much as I want to. I used to get frustrated if it didn't turn out exactly how I wanted. But nowadays I don't feel that way anymore. I just kind of let it come to me because I trust in my creative process. When I do one layer, I add on to it, and sometimes I have no idea, sometimes I have some idea. My some idea was the glitter and a butterfly. And now I'm going to look and decide which butterfly I feel deserves that spot. So once this dries, we'll come back. How pretty is all that sparkle? Alright, so pink. That one seems to be too big, so I think we'll have to go with this one. Yeah, I like this one. Alright. So now I try to center it. And we'll do another coat. Mostly just to go over the butterfly. UV resin coat is dry, and I want to add a little bit more with maybe a couple flowers. Alright, so I'm going to put just one more thin layer over the top. Isn't this gorgeous, you guys? I love butterflies and flowers, and this is the best of both worlds. This would look so great on the back of any phone. Check out my Mercari. It's called jess.of.air, and you can buy this one there or message me if you want your own custom butterfly rhinestone Popsocket. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a like because it really helps my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.